This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Etymology definition. Etymology is a branch of linguistics that deals with etymologies. This is the determination of linguistics' earliest known use and development. Origin form is also shown to determine the essential elements. This also traces back the linguistic transmission of one language to another and also, in the same sense, identifying in other languages its cognates. In simpler terms, etymology is the source and development of word study. However, the form and meaning of words have changed over time, and this is where etymology comes in handy. History. There was an increased need by linguistics in the 5th century to understand the meaning of most words which were found to be strange. This was mainly done to understate how languages relate and how it had evolved over the years. This was achieved in the 18th century when much linguistic research and study was being done. During this time, the meaning of etymology was revealed and its applicability. Panini and Pindar played a major role in elaborating the word to unearth its meaning. This was to satisfy the contemporary requirement the word origins have to be changed. The ancient Indians were the first to evaluate the word etymology and understand it. Therefore, they detailedly analyzed the word by getting its meaning and application in grammar. There are 4 famous Sanskrit, namely, Yaska, Panini, Katyayana, and Patanjali. These are also accompanied by the Socratic dialogue Cratylus, an ancient philosophical text in ancient Greece that dealt with etymology. Functions of etymology. Etymology is used in comparative language methods to enable the construction of information from such languages. It is used to provide a linkage of information from languages that are older and might not be available. With the vocabulary of the shared parent language, linguists can make an interface from these attributes using the comparative method of related language analysis by using this technique. This has helped trace back the origin of word roots, and the results are found if one adheres to this method. The best example is the Indo-European language family. Etymology is used for philological research to trace words using older text. Philological tradition is the founder of etymological research. From here, much of the research on etymology is through on-language families. This is where we find that no or little documentation was ever formulated. This is like in the case of Austronesia and Uralic. Etymology is also used in dialectological data formation by showing variations in forms and meanings between dialects. Etymology is used and helpful in etym, the study of changes in semantics by changing particular word meaning hypotheses which test semantic shift general knowledge. Conclusion. Based on the research of etymologists, I conclude that it is used in the application of the text of languages that were written a long time ago in history and are no longer used. It also represents text about languages by obtaining knowledge of how earlier words were used, when they were used, and how they were incorporated into today's language. These have helped scholars to critically understand the relationship between words and their origin in the modern era. This transforms the study of linguistics and gives it the rich historical meaning of numerous words that have been derived from several languages, and one is able to pinpoint each of the origins by the use of etymology study. If you want to find more works like this essay on etymology, definition, history, functions, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.